Heels down. That's probably something that every rider has heard at some point. But do we actually want the heels down? We definitely don't want the heels up, so I mean like this. We don't want them up, but we don't necessarily want them really much down either. What we want is that the heel is pretty much level with our toes or just a little bit lower. We really don't want to push our heel down, because what happens then is often that our leg goes forward and also our leg gets very stiff. So now it's quite restrictive. The joints in my legs cannot move that much. So because I need that little movement so I can keep my legs still. And what we also don't want to do, because of course, we want that nice long leg. By the way, I'm going to make a video how to achieve that nice long leg that we want. But what we don't want is to push our leg down. Because now if I'm pushing my leg down, then what happens is I end up pushing myself out of the saddle. So I can't really like sit around the horse and sit deep in the deep in the saddle. I also have a video about how to sit deep in the saddle. I'll link it somewhere. So you don't want to be pushing against the stirrup to get the leg down. It also causes my leg to become very stiff, and again then I cannot follow the horse's movement, and I might start to bounce in the saddle. So what we want is the right amount of relaxation, but also right amount of tone, and that's something that we will discuss in the next video. So I'll see you then. Bye.